Make the ground shake.
Proper nouns. Proper nouns have a unique reference. For example, Everest refers to a particular mountain, and Obama refers to a particular person. We normally use capital letters for the first letter of a proper noun. Common nouns. Common nouns are ordinary group of names, persons, and things, such as child, gentleman, students, cow, city, table, etc. For example, if someone say a city, it can be any city. It is different from New York, which is a particular city. We do not use capital letters for the first letter of a common noun. The difference between proper and common nouns. Proper nouns differ from common nouns in three ways. Number one, they are not usually used with articles. For example, we cannot say a USA, the John, some, England. Number two, proper nouns do not usually allow plurals. For example, London's, two Obamas, Uganda's. Number three, it is impossible to leave out articles in common nouns unless they are uncountable. For example, you cannot say book is ready, but a book is ready. Egg is bad, but an egg is bad. Not. In special situations, proper nouns can behave like common nouns. Example, behold at all those Obamas. That is Obama's family.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like the video. And don't forget to subscribe.